Hey, hi folks, Fiat Ducato 130 multi-jet. You've seen this before in other videos. I've just got a couple of little videos I'm going to show you, and this is the Fiat and it's the professional. As you can see, beautiful. Love my van. So I've got two things. One thing I'm going to show you is, first of all, we have a bulb gone, and this beautiful looking light cluster. Look at them. I love the nose on this thing. It looks absolutely superb. Look at that. Right, and the other thing is, someone did ask me, how do you get to your water filler? I think it is expansion tank and something. I'll show you that now. First of all, right, passenger door, open up, door bonnet catch, door bonnet catch, bonnet catch, come round to the front, bang in the middle, lift it up. There should be a little handle here. That's it. Sorry about that. Hold it up with your head because I'm holding the camera at the same time. Pull out the bar, bring it up, and there's a piece missing off mine. There's supposed to be a piece of rubber in there to protect your metal, so I'm going to have to try and find one of them. And then what you're looking for now is this part on the left hand side. So if you're looking at your bonnet, of course, you've got three little tabs here. You turn them anti-clockwise, okay, anti-clockwise, and then what you do, you lift this forward. It's a bit difficult one-handed, but and it pulls forward. Hold on, it does work, honestly. I've done this before. There we go. Pulls forward. Just push underneath a bit with your finger if you want, and then what it does, it lifts up and then down, because this little part here hooks under there, and that gives you access then to your expansion tank and also your power steering. This is power steering, okay, so you want to check that, and that's fine. And so the expansion tank is just, that's on maximum. It's about, what, 1/8 of an inch below, so I'm not worried about that. And then also along here, if you go right to the end, there's it. That is for your window wash. So window wash, power steering, and then you've got your expansion tank for your radiators and everything, and then you've got your brake fluid and clutch fluid, I presume, all in one. I think it is. I'm not going to say it is, but usually it is. Clutch and brake fluid all in the same one, because I can't see another one anywhere. There you go. It's a very quick video. Hold on. Oil fill, oil, dipstick. I think that's all you need to know. Yep. Make sure the ports here, we've got one there, hole there, are clear, and this one at this end is all clear. That's to let the water from your windscreen or anything that's come down drain away from the engine compartment out underneath the wheel arches. All right, so that's it. One quick video. Just easily pop back. We'll slide it underneath like so, push it down, and then opposite, turn the clips clockwise. There we go. Done. Sorry about that. There we go. Yeah, one more little hack on the Fiat Ducatos. I changed my double seat into a single swivel seat, and underneath, even the driver's side, they have these little boxes, what they call them, like a little tray. They have a tray underneath, which are really awkward to get out and put stuff in and out. So what I decided to do, I went and bought some DeWalt stackable toolboxes. Let me just show you this. Look, you can't see it. You can't see it. All hidden. If you go down, it fits beautifully. Look at that, perfectly underneath the passenger and the driver's seat. Now, I've not put the bungee on this one. I like it's just a black plain with a bit of green on it. Doesn't get in your way of your feet. This is your top angle, so you hardly see it. The red button there is the swivel, so you just push that down. It's all nice and compact. I got a full set of tools in here, and the other side I have whatever you want, actually. So that's two compartments that you can use to make good use of the space in the van, okay? And they're brilliant. They fit perfectly. You have to put your hand at the back, so you have to put your hand underneath here and just lift it a bit because there's two bars. You could cut the bars out, but it sits nicely on them. It doesn't touch the wires. So you'll need a couple of bungees for that, or anything else you want to think of, you can use. But yeah, that's a massive space saver. And behind my driver's seat is my 10-ton jack. I don't use the jack that came with the van. I'd rather have a really decent one. So that's what we got there. Okay, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and a like. I would really appreciate that. That's great. And more hacks to come and more bits and bobs. Every time I fix something, I'll put it on as well. All right, take care, and we will definitely catch you in the next one. All the best.